I'm going to show you how to set your profile picture in Teams. So you sign into Microsoft Teams. So you click on your picture here and you can see here this camera button. You just click on that and here is where you can upload your picture. Now keep in mind that this picture will be used for all of your Microsoft 365 apps. So for example, for your Outlook, for Microsoft Excel, for Word, anything that you are using, you are signing in with this account, it will use that picture. So bear that in mind. And you just click on Upload Picture and then select your picture wherever that is. I'll use this one here and click Open. Now all I need to do is hit Save. And it may take a little while, perhaps even a couple of hours for that photo, for that picture to appear when you log in to Teams. But that's it, and then it will be in there forever until you change it. By the way, if you want to remove your picture, then select the picture again and just click Remove Picture. Very simple, and then hit Save.